off with Stella Smith, celebrating her second birthday. Stella, have a great weekend, my friend. She's in Oswego.
And we've got Leighton Cooper, turning 6 years old this year. Look at that smile there on Leighton. He's in Lamar, Missouri.
Jackson Wayne Cohen with a 6th birthday. Now, Jackson, I want you to know we got special birthday wishes coming to you from Poppy, Nani, Uncle Jeff, and Aunt Allie as Jackson celebrates in Parsons.
All right. In Pittsburgh, also turning 6 years old. It's the year to be 6, I think. Renee Green. Happy birthday, Renee.
Delaney Lusker is now a teenager. My goodness. Delaney, a big happy birthday to you. And Mom, Dad, Jack, AJ, and Kyla, the entire Lusker gang, wishing Miss Delaney a welcome to the teenage years, kiddo.
All right. Speaking of newly turned teenagers, Ellie Langford celebrating her 13th birthday this weekend in Carterville.
Delaney making us feel bad. She got a trip to the beach right there. Briley Heimer, she's celebrating her 14th birthday. Briley, I want you to have a marvelous weekend in Fort Scott.
All right, in Pittsburgh, Avery Johnson turning 15 years old this year. Happy birthday, Avery.
Happy birthday, Avery. Good looking picture right there, kiddo. That's awesome. Kyle Schultz, he's got his number 30. Kyle, decked out in the floral pattern. I love it. Kyle's in Nevada.
All right, and this young man was a little busy yesterday, it sounds like. Aaron Morris turning 37 years old. His birthday was actually yesterday. He's in Cherokee, Kansas. But what was he doing yesterday? Well, holding his newborn son, who was born yesterday as well. Grady is his newborn son's name. That's so cool. 37 years old for Aaron. Happy birthday. What an awesome gift.
Now, Jim Akins, he's got his 49th birthday. Jim is celebrating in Iola.
All right, and we've got Melody Cranes turning 54 years old this year. Looking good there, Melody, in Joplin.
Cheryl Grove, a 73rd birthday. Miss Cheryl, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come from the whole family. Cheryl's in Fredonia.
And Raymond Alcantar celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Raymond. I'm trying to figure out where that picture is taken out. That's very cool. Are those Razorbacks? Okay.
No, I'm looking at floodwaters.
Well, there is a fountain. Happy birthday, Raymond. And if Raymond is celebrating, that means his daughter Sarah is celebrating as well. That's her in the picture. Turning 18 years old.
Janice Sandberg, wishing you a happy birthday. Miss Janice, she is in Columbus.
And in Uniontown, Rick Allen is celebrating. Happy birthday, Rick.
Well, Rick's cousin, Joe. Joe, nice get. Happy birthday to Joe in Fort Scott.
All right. And Lucinda Stoll in Chanute. Happy birthday to you.
And Larry and Joan Allen, they are celebrating 61 years. My goodness, congratulations to the Allens in Chateau. Who that is?
Very own Miss Debbie Haynes is celebrating. She works in our traffic department. Hope you have a great and wonderful birthday today, Debbie.
We got to let everybody know that what they don't know about Debbie is people think we have an early morning shift. Debbie's usually here with us. That's when she starts her day off. That's how hardworking she is. Debbie, a very happy birthday to you, and I'll probably see you here in just a little bit. Clay King celebrating a birthday in Columbus. A happy birthday to Sandy Friend, turning 66. Sandy's in Galena. And Joyce Stevens, rounding out of our list. Happy birthday to Joyce in Arcadia, Kansas. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all as we head into this Labor Day weekend. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.